Let me introduce myself. I am Tonti, the owner of Tame Healthy Hair Salon. I am here to go over this quick video with everyone to show you one of the services that we do offer in our salon. What our client here is getting is an individual twist out, and you will see at the very end of this video where she has some flat twists to the side. But right now what I'm doing is just kind of going over the twist. And one great thing about twists, it is a very good protective style. I love doing twists. I challenge myself every time that I'm doing it. In my head I'm thinking, ooh, how fast can I go? And I'm so excited when I see myself, being faster than I was like a year before or the year before, because this is something that I really enjoy doing. Individual twists, flat twists. One great thing about our salon is we offer quite a bit of protective styles, and of course silk press is what we're known for. But I love that we are versatile. We're not just only straightening hair, but we're also doing protective styles. So yes, we do great silk press, but we also have that other side to it. So we have clients that all they get is protective styling. Some clients, all they want is their hair is straight. Then we have those that love to do both. This client here that I am working on, she normally gets protective styles. So some pictures you may see of her with other styles that she get. We do a lot of flat twist styles, a lot of updo or twist updos. But as you see here, I am using our new foam that will be available really soon, hopefully within the next month or so. This foam here is what I call our liquid gold. This foam is amazing. First, what I've already put on our hair is our primer. That way it can start moisturizing the hair before I put the foam on. And as you see, as I put the foam in there, it just activates her curl pattern. Look, as I'm combing through, how beautiful those curls are just popping. So for those who want to possibly do a wash and go, this 4-in-1 liquid gold is what you want. And the reason why I call it 4-in-1 is because it does multiple things. Believe it or not, this works great on silk press styles. It works great on blowout styles. It works wonders on twists. And as you see, if this client wanted to take this style and wear it as a wash and go, you can already see those curls have already popped out. So what you're seeing me here do is basically get started on a good foundation for the twist, so it would be tight to the scalp and twist down all the way to the end. And of course, as we get to the end, we want to make sure that that end is curled all the way, as you see, and we'll go from there. Me, I would say I am a finger parter. And so what helps me go quickly is me not having to pick up a comb along the way. I've already set the foundation for the section by sectioning it off, applying the product, and then twisting the hair down. And so before I know it, I will be done. Now what you just see me do is take some extra product that is on the hair and smooth it all the way to the ends. That way it'll help me in case I need some towards the bottom without me needing to stop and go pump. So for Tame Healthy Hair Salon, we are all about quality, but we also don't double book. So with that being said, we have a time management system. So we have a system that I have created that helps with time. And what I mean by that is most of our services is about 90 minutes long. A few about 2 hours long. And of course, if we're doing crochets or something like that, that's a different story. But for our basic styling, we try to do it about 90 minutes to under 2 hours. And so with that being said, I had to create a system that allowed efficiency, also allowed for us to be able to get through the style with great quality. And so one thing that helps with that is products. And so that's one reason I created Tame. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.